It's in any other territory where medical cannabis has been available for any level of time to reach what you could class as a mature market. 3% on average have a medical cannabis prescription. In the UK, it's 0.05%. It legalised in 2018. It's well documented. The story of Billy Caldwell and how his mother was stopped at customs and had his medication taken away. He then became incredibly ill.
With epilepsy, wasn't he? Yeah.
And then Sajid Javid changed the legislation. And everybody assumed 6 years ago that the same thing would happen. There'd be this huge green bubble. Everybody would jump in and people would recognise the unmet healthcare need that existed. That didn't happen. Why?
Why is alcohol the legal drug? Although to a lot of people who would say they never do drugs still have a sort of social conditioning that it's not a drug, despite it being one of the most powerful drugs out there. Alcohol has a consistent effect on almost everyone who take it out of interest, whereas something like cannabis, which is much closer to a lot of pharmaceuticals, there's quite a large variation.
And people don't understand that it's not just this couch lock soporific in the corner in a darkened room staring at TikTok. It's the outcome of cannabis.
There's the fascinating point, it's worth making if people aren't aware, is the UK has been, and still is, I think it's been for over 10 years, the largest producer of medical cannabis in the world. And most people I tell that to are gobsmacked.